Hello guys, I am from Gogras Math Sub. Today I shall explain question number 12 that has been taken from exercise 5.5 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. The question is find dy over dx of the function x raised to power y plus y raised to power x equal to 1. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that given that the function x raised to power y plus y raised to power x is equal to 1. Given that the function x raised to power y plus y raised to power x equal to 1. Here you can see in the given function in the question that first term is x raised to power y, second term is y raised to power x. So here x is variable, y is also variable. The variable raised to power variable raised to power variable. That's why here the first term will be left as u, second term at v, and by using the logarithmic method we shall simplify this function and thereafter we shall differentiate the function with respect to x. Let us see how this question is going to be solved here. So here I shall write implied that let x raised to power y is equal to u and y raised to power x is equal to v, then u plus v is equal to 1. So here I shall write dwrt x, then imply that it will become this function u plus v equal to 1 is going to be differentiated with respect to x. So here we shall get d over dx of u plus d over dx of v equal to d over dx of 1. So we shall get imply that d over dx of u comes out to be du over dx plus d over dx of v comes out to be dv over dx. Here the derivative of constant is 0. So this thing we have got. Now I shall take this function x raised to power y equal to u. So here I shall write now x raised to power y equal to u. I can write very well u equal to x raised to power y. On taking log in both sides, we shall get log u equal to log x raised to power y comes out to be log u equal to, here you can see log x raised to power y. We shall use the formula log m raised to power n equal to n dot log m. On basis of the formula log m raised power n equal to n dot log m, we can write log x raised power y as y dot log x. This thing you have got. Now here I shall write d wrt x. So this thing you will get d over dx of log u equal to d over dx of y dot log x. So here you can see in the center function u is available. In denominator it is x is available. D over dx of log u, for time being let u equal to x, d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x I shall write a u. So here write 1 over u. And here in center function u is available, here in denominator x is available. So u and x are different. That's why d will be conjugated with u. We'll get here du over dx equal to d over dx of y dot log x. Here y is, let y is first function, log x is second function. The first function y is multiplied to second function log x. Y first function is multiplied to second function log x. The first function into second function. D over dx of first function into second function. So here I shall write, and by using the chain rule, not chain rule, here I shall use the product rule. By using the product rule, we can write as, by using the product rule, we can write as first function as it is dot d over dx of second function plus second function log x will be written as it is dot d over dx of first function I shall write y. They will get here 1 over u dot du over dx comes out to be y dot d over dx of log x. Here in center function x is available, in denominator x available. D over dx of log x, x, d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x plus, here write log x, d over dx of y comes out to be dy over dx. Here again I shall write 1 over u dot du over dx. Here you can see x is there in denominator. X will be thrown back in numerator. It will become y dot x raised to power minus 1 plus, here write log x dot dy over dx. Now here you can see in the left hand side u is available in denominator. So u will be thrown back to right hand side. So it will become du over dx equal to u dot, open here curly bracket, I shall write y dot x raised to power minus 1 plus log x I shall write, or here write dy over dx. Curly bracket close. Now again I shall write d over dx equal to the value of u I shall take from this place x raised to power y. So here write x raised to power y. X raised to power y dot open here curly bracket y dot x raised to power minus 1 plus log x dot dy over dx curly bracket close. Now we shall get du over dx equal to x raised to power y will enter inside, curly bracket will be broken. We will get here y dot x raised to power y minus 1. This y dot, here you can see x is there in base, here x is also there in base. X raised to power y and x raised to the power minus 1 are multiplied together. So we will get here x raised to the power y minus 1. I have written this one. Now here you will get x raised to power y dot log x dot dy over dx. This thing you have got. Now this will become relation number 1. Now I shall take the second term. Again I shall write v equal to y raised to the power x. Here you can see y raised to the power x, variable raised to power variable. So here I shall write on taking log in both sides, we shall get log v equal to log y raised to the power x. So comes out to be log v equal to x dot log y. This thing we have got. Here I shall write dwrt x. You will get here d over dx of log v equal to d over dx of x dot log y. Here in center function v is available and denominator here x is available. Y and x are different. That's why d will be conjugated at v. You will get here dv over dx. And for time being, if you let v as x, d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over v. In place of v, I shall write here x. It will become here implied that 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to, here let first function be x and second function be log y. First function is multiplied to second function. D over dx of first function into second function. Here I shall use product rule. By using the product rule, we shall get x dot d over dx of log y plus in bracket log y dot d over dx of x. So we shall get here 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to x dot here d over dx of log y. In center function y is available, in denominator x is available. That's why d will be conjugated at y. We'll get here dy over dx. We'll multiply 2. And for timing, in place of y, I shall write x. d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x, I shall write here y. So it will become 1 over y dot dy over dx plus log y dot here d over dx of x comes out to be 1. Again I shall write 1 over v dot dv over dx equal to here y is there in denominator will be thrown back to numerator. It will become x dot y raised to power minus 1 dy over dx of log y. Again I shall write dv over dx comes out to be v dot open here curly bracket will get here x dot y raised to power minus 1 dot dy over dx plus log y open here curly bracket close here curly bracket. It comes out to be here I shall put the value of v. V I shall get from this place. V is equal to y raised to power x. So here write y raised to power x comes out to be open here curly bracket x dot y raised to power minus 1 dot dy over dx plus log y. You will get here dv over dx equal to y raised to power x will enter side curly bracket will be broken. So we will get here x dot y raised y is there in base, here y is there in the base, the base both, so then power will be added. So here you will get y raised to the power x minus 1 dot dy over dx plus y raised to power x dot log y. We shall get this one. Now this will become relation number 2. So here I shall write this term I shall write. Now here I shall write implied that here I shall write hence du over dx equal to dv over dx equal to 0. And now relation number 1, this one will be added to relation number 2 dv over dx. So comes out to be relation number 1 I shall take this one du over dx plus dv over dx equal to 0. Imply that in place of du over dx, I shall write y dot x raised to the power y minus 1 plus x raised to the power y dot log x dot dy over dx plus dv over dx. I shall write x raised x dot y raised की power x minus 1 dot dy over dx plus y raised की power x dot log y comes out to be 0. This thing we have got. Here I shall write implied that here from this function, this term, second term, dy over dx is multiplied. Here in third term, dy over dx is multiplied. And now take dy over dx as a common. So here I shall write dy over dx has been taken as common. So it will become x raised to the power y dot log x plus x dot y raised to the power x minus 1 equal to this term, first term is there in left hand side, thrown back to right hand side. It will become minus y dot x raised to the power y minus 1 minus, and here this term will be thrown back to right hand side. It will become y raised to the power x dot log y. Now final result you have got here implied that. I shall write implied that dy over dx equal to, in right side minus there, take here minus 1 as a common. We will get here y dot x raised to the power y minus 1, y dot x raised to the power y minus 1 plus y dot x raised to the power y minus 1 plus y raised to the power x dot log y whole over this term. I shall write x raised to the power y dot log x plus x y raised to the power x minus 1. So this will be the correct answer we have got. Now I shall check the answer from the key point here. Here I have got dy over dx equal to minus 1 I have taken common. Y raised to the power x minus 1 I have taken as a common. Then inside the bracket I shall write y raised to the power x dot log y plus y x raised to the power y minus 1 whole over x raised to the power y dot log x plus x y raised to the power x minus 1. This will be the correct answer we have got here. Now I have fully explained question number 12. The answer we have got dy over dx equal to minus 1 dot in bracket y x raised to the power y minus 1 plus y raised to the power x dot log y whole over x raised to the power y dot log x plus x y raised to the power x minus 1 bracket close. This will be the correct answer we have got here. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 12 that has been taken from exercise 5.5, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.